Good morning, my friend. I could like to show you our 3KW air source hot water heat pump unit today. As you could find, this is the black plastic casing. What is good for this plastic casing? As you know, the plastic material is ideal for the ruction-free, so this design could be suitable for the coastal area. Our hot water heat pump could offer you a maximum 60 degrees C hot water at all weather. Besides that, a Wilo pump is built inside in this unit, so make the installation much easier. You may ask, what is special for this unit? Let me show you. Do you find this? There are two holes here. When connect the air ducted through these two holes, you can get the free air cooling. In other words, our hot water heat pump can offer you not only the hot water, but the air cooling at the same time. Why not contact us right now for further information about this unit? Thank you.